it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I'm in my creative journal and I'm going to be setting up my July spread. I'm so excited. Can you believe it's almost July? I don't know. Okay, this is my Happy Planner journal here. And then I think I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree stickers that I have had for a long time. And the Casstthetic Plans Summer Fun. And then the Live, Love, Posh Summer Allure. Excuse me. And then the washi tape from Live, Love, Posh, the Rainbow Collection. And then this basic pattern tape in the purplish blue that I picked up off of Journalsay, okay? And I'll link everything in the description box below in case you're interested. And I have affiliate links from Doodle Diaries, the Washi Tape Shop, and Journalsay, and some of them contain coupon codes which could save you some money. So if you're going to shop anyway, I would really appreciate it if you'd use my links. All right, let's get started in this creative journal. All right, so here I am, and I'm behind journaling. All right, so what I want to do is just make a cute little spread, and I was thinking about using these for July. So let's put them on there. I don't know how sticky they're going to be. I may have to use my AdTech Essential Tape Runner. We will see. And I want to put July in all caps. I wish I had had more than one of these, but I didn't. Okay, so let's see where I want to, well, do I want to put some washi down first? I think I do. All right, I picked this washi out. It has red, a light purplish red, and blue and white, and this is the one that came from Journalsay in that box. And then I chose this from Live, Love, Posh, okay? And I think this is going to be really super adorable. So let's get this on here. Like I've said so many times, if I don't decorate my journals, I'm not going to use them. And that's sad, but it's true. All right, let's put this right down through here. And I'm just going to cut this off. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. It's finally cleared up here. I'm filming this on Monday for Tuesday, and it's finally cleared up. Not a lot of rain, so I'm happy about that. Let me get my little hand to hold this down. So much easier when you don't have to fight that. And I got that little hand off of Journalsay in case you're interested. All right, this is going to be so cute. Then I'm going in with this. I just really want to make it really, since the 4th of July and everything is in this month, I just really feel like having a bright, cheerful 4th of July entry. So I'm going to put this right beside of this. We got our new washer. It came over the weekend. Love it. This time we got a GE like we had before. We had a Maytag, and I would never buy another one again as long as I live. If you have one and you've had, you know, a lot of success with it, then kudos to you, but we did not. It was horrible. And you can use your little corner rounder, or you can use your scissors here, whatever it is you want to use that you find most helpful. I may switch to those really awesome ones that I love so much. Okay, that worked out great. Now let me do this one. Okay, not a lot had to come off of this, just kind of around those corners. All right, love this. So perfect in my opinion. Okay, so now I'm going to go in here with these stickers from the Dollar Tree. Love them. Okay, I'm going to put, I think, this one here. I'm going to try not to really press it down until I see. Like I said, I wish I had a lot of this, but I didn't. A lot of these stickers, but I did not. And I might have to scoot them up. I don't think I didn't start them down far enough. Okay, no problem. That's why I didn't push them down. And I could use my tweezers here, but I think I could probably go straighter like this. I tell you, don't sleep on Dollar Tree little stickers. They have some of the cutest ones. I've always loved them. All right, there's July, and I'm going to put, since I wanted to put it in all caps, but I can't, so I'm either going to switch to all lowercase and put fun over here, or I think I'll just put a capital F and then do the lowercase. Okay, and I'm going to go in about right here. I like this. I haven't seen these particular stickers in Dollar Tree in a while. Now you could take it in and out to make it like real fun like if you wanted. But I think I'm going to do it like this. Let me put this down a little more. All right, July fun. I like that. Okay. Now I'm going to get in my Live, Love, Posh Summer Allure and get to this page. When I got this book, I knew I wanted to use this for my July spread. I thought it would be so beautiful, okay? So I'm going to put, I wish these stickers sometimes would not get stuck on their paper. Okay. Now, do I want to put this right here? Let's look. Okay, now what I want to put this one right here, like maybe that. I think I do. So let's cut this off. I'm going to save this because I might use this somewhere else. I like to anchor my corners. I've said this so many times. Okay, like that. Just going to save that piece as well. Then take this lighthouse. He might be too big to go right here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I'm going to scoot him right there. So cute. And then, oh, I could have put this one on there. It would have had the flowers. Maybe that's what I want to do. Maybe I don't want this one on here. Let's see, can we get this up? I think we can. I'll just stick it back in here. And I'm gonna get this one. We love to go down by the bay and watch fireworks. It's so pretty. Okay, now this one is gonna go right there, and it ties in the floral, so I like that a lot. Now real quickly, I'm gonna get in my Casstthetic Plans and see which one of these I want. So let's look. Which one do I think really... I like that one with the flag, but there's not the flag, the flowers, the fireworks. This one's pretty, but that one is too. Let's try this one. These are paper. And I want to put this right in the center, okay? And then I'm going to go back to my Live, Love, POSH. And I'm going to get these really little florals. It's really starting to heat up down here, but it's starting to heat up everywhere. I'm going to put that there. I think this bike is really cute. We've ridden bikes over there. You can rent them. We have our own, but such a hassle taking them over there. We've rented them before, and it was fun to just ride all over by the beach. So I think I'm going to put this little guy right in there. And maybe, let's look. I don't know if I want to put those there or not. Okay, then here are these like little sparklers. I'm going to put them there because I got it really puckered. I like that. That came out of Casstthetic Plans. Maybe then I'll take this from Casstthetic Plans and just put it out through there. I think that's so cute. I kind of want to put something up here, but maybe I could just put some more washi. That would be pretty. I mean, I have a lot of really pretty stickers. I started to put maybe the Volkswagen or the beach bag, but I don't think I will. I think I'm going to go right here and just... come across. And I don't know what Maggie's in there barking at. It is hard to tell. Okay, then I want to put a quote on here. So I am in my Live, Love, POSH Summer Allure. And I'm just looking to see what I might... I know summer is in June, but there's a couple in here that I really like. I think I was made for summer, sunny days. And then good times and tan lines. Okay. We'll put this right there. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here is my July Creative Journal spread. I love it. It's everything I love about July. Going and watching the fireworks, going to the beach. We have a lighthouse down here that we visit frequently. There's just so much fun to do in July, and I love the addition of the washi. I should have maybe put it down here too, but I didn't. That's okay. I think this is so pretty. These little stickers from the Dollar Tree are perfect for this spread. So if you enjoyed this creative journal setup for July, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.